So this video we are off to Burgh Island, which is in Burgh-on-Sea. A little bit choppy, breezy, cold. We headed to the pub called the Pilchard Inn, which is the pub on the cliff face overlooking the beach. Very nice place. The others anchored up. I decided to stay in my boats just to keep an eye on the other boats, because where they was rafted up and anchored, the anchor was dragging slightly, so just keep an eye on them. So enjoy the video. So everyone is getting themselves ready to get anchored up and have a nice drink at the pub. The Pilchard Inn, just to the right of the screen, up on the cliff there. So just drop the anchor on Burgh Island. Just having some food, well, snacks, chilling. So here's myself anchored up on the sea. Anchor's holding very well. And there's Burgh Island, lovely place.